Dude, this is cheaper than Colaba and Bandra combined. Trust me. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. And if you're seeing this face for the first time, please hit on that subscribe button and join the family. As you can see, this is my second Ajio haul and I'm obsessed with Ajio. I am on their app 24/7. Trust me, I'm not even kidding. At night, I'm just scrolling for straight 1 hour on Ajio minimum. Their offers are so great and it's just irresistible, to not buy anything. But still, I've controlled myself and I'm not bought a lot for me. But this time, I've purchased some things for my brother. I just have 6 items to show you. Usme se I think one is also missing. I think it's gone in the wash. So yeah. So technically I have 5 items to show you, out of which 3 are my brother and 2 is mine. So yeah, if you're interested in watching, let's get started. So the very first thing I've ordered is this shorts. You can see, and this is from the brand Team Spirit, and the size is small, and I absolutely love these shorts, how they have turned out. And my brother loves them too. He's tried it like for 2-3 times and he likes the quality and everything. He uses for playing football and extra. So yeah, it's a very good buy. It comes above his knee, and yeah, the length is pretty good and the quality is very, I think it will last him a long time. So yeah, it's good. So from the same brand, I had ordered the same kind of short, but it was only gray and it had some number printed on here. You can see it on the screen, and that has just gone into wash. But I think that quality is a bit more cheaper than this one, and that's why this one is more expensive than the other one. So yeah, I would I would so I would recommend you to go for this type of shorts, which are thick in material, so that whenever they are playing or something, so it's more durable. The next two things also are very basic, and I just got one blue and one black jeans for my brother. He wanted jeans for a very long time, and I thought, I just not order some basic jeans which are well fitted, and he really loves them. The fitting and everything is also very good. You can see it's a very basic. So the brand is DNMX, and the size is 30, and it fits him very well. So yeah, one is in black and one is in blue. I like the blue one much better than the black one. As you can see, the length is pretty good. My brother is like very tall, so yeah, for him it's very good. They are both nice in quality. Also, the material is very, like, it feels very high quality, and they are pencil fit. So yeah, you don't need to do any alterations or something. So it's a pretty good deal. Now the next two items are for me, and the first thing which I got is this one from Team Spirit. It's a plain basic top, and the size is in L. It fits me really well, but the only problem is, if you can see it on camera, this is not black and white, but this is actually black and gray, and this is like that night dress kind of a material. So I didn't expect that, but I think it's my fault. I didn't read the description very well. So yeah, for normal wearing it's good. Like, if you want to just wear it casually, then it's good. It has like a jumper kind of a feel. And so the last thing is my favorite, and that is the reason why I got all of this stuff, because I wanted to really place an order, and that's why. You can see it is the most girly dress I own. Trust me, I've never had so much of pink in one dress. I usually don't even have pink tops or pink dresses, but I don't know what attracted me to this. Maybe because it's so simple and it's so easy to style, and maybe that's why I just ordered it. It just has like 5 buttons. It has 5 buttons, and it is skater from down. So yeah, I think the color looks really pretty, and this looks like expensive, but this is not. Actually, it's not expensive. Brand called Rio, and it is a very well-known brand, okay, but I think the offer was so good that I could not resist. So this is actually only for 271 rupees, and you will go mad if you see the quality. Really, it feels so high end. It actually looks like an H&M dress, trust me, and I think this is the best buy from Ajio, and that's why I tell you that please go and see Ajio's collection, you will go mad. Like, what price are they just giving away stuff? It's actually cheaper than Kolaba or Bandra, trust me. So yeah, I'm so happy with this dress. So this was the haul, guys, and my favorite obviously has to be this one, and please do order it. They even had this one in orange, so if you want to buy it. It's a very, very good deal. And if you like all this basic stuff, and if you want to order something for your brother or your boyfriend, like, go on Ajio, you will find a very, very good collection. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you, like, the men's collection is also good from Ajio. And if you like this video, please hit that like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.